hell I did? Oh well. How you doing today? Good, man. So, YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another video. I am currently in Philly right now. It is 2 a.m. and I'm at a gas station. About to get some gas, as always. But as you see, I have the GoPro on my head, and we're gonna go around the city and get some POV drive for you guys. This is with my new camera, with a new microphone, so sound should be better. And this gas station has 94 octane. That's crazy. That has 94. I've never seen 94, so I don't need much gas, but I'm gonna get some anyways, just because it's 94. Or do you guys think it's not good to mix 94 and 93 together? Oh shit, because I have half 93 and then I'm about to put 94. Do you think that'll be a problem or not? Oh shit, somebody enlighten me. I don't want to fuck my car up. But on the other hand though, the S4 is looking nice. I just need to do a little things to it and get it right, but I mean the fitment is nice. We're sitting nicely right now. I'm thinking about going with some like coilovers or something, maybe airbag. I found an airbag kit for sale for a deal, so I might, I don't know, hop on that or some shit. But yeah, what you guys think though? What you guys think I should do? Like, let me know. I'm pretty content with the way the car is, like I said, but I do want to do some changes and do some shit to it eventually. Other than that, we should be good. But yeah, this gas pump takes fucking forever, bro. This shit hella slow. Like, what the fuck? Fuck. I gotta make sure my camera is set and nice. All right, we're good to go with the camera. Oh yeah, my brake pads are acting crazy. I think my pads might be bad, but it don't feel bad because I just changed them like last year. So it might be something with the fucking brake shit going on. I don't know. Or it could be the pads again, because I do be braking and driving this shit fucking hard lately for the past year. So we might just swap that shit out eventually. But yeah. icy, bruh. Kind of cold out, a little slippery. Yo, it's a little slippery out. Like, how is it? Is that cold that the road is icy? The fuck? Alright guys, well that concludes the video. I'm going to take my ass home, and it's kind of cold out and it's getting late. I'm kind of tired, so yeah, let's take my ass home. But what you guys think of the ambient lighting though? Like I said, when I installed the lighting, I like it to be like settled, clean, and I feel like this is like OEM. Like it should have came like this from factory. Like it's just so clean on the door handles and everything, and then right on the dash, not overly done where it's in my face and distracting me from driving. So yeah, I feel like it's a nice touch with floor LEDs, RGBs as well. But yeah, leave a comment down below, like the video, share, please subscribe too. It means a lot to me, and it means a lot, helps out the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.